You will likely want to constrain a dimension of your gear assembly. For instance, maybe you want a specific distance between your gear axles. To achieve this, you can find the Set Scale button available in the Export step, as well as in the Compute Teeth step. First, take note that in Gearify, all dimensions are unitless. Units will be determined by the preferences of the software you import your file into. So you can interpret each dimension with the units of your choice, be they inches, millimeters, or light years. Observe that I have 3 gears in my current assembly, and suppose I want the distance between gear A1 and B2 to be 4 units. First, I set my reference dimension to be Ref1 to Ref2 distance. I set my Ref1 gear to be A1, my Ref2 gear to be B2. I enter a desired dimension of 4 units, and then click Scale to Dimension. Now when I export, the model will be uniformly scaled, such that the reference dimension matches the desired dimension. Note that if one of my gears is a rack gear, the center-to-center distance will measure to the midpoint of the rack's pitch curve. You can also choose the minimum or maximum radius of your reference 1 gear as your reference dimension. Min radius is the shortest distance from the gear center to the pitch curve. Max radius is the longest distance. It can be useful to set the scale during the Compute Teeth step. If you are milling your gears with a CNC machine, the size of interior curves is limited by your end mill radius. Setting your scale allows you to see the smallest interior curve radius among all currently visible gears, so you can confirm its manufacturability.